Hello guys! This video is the first part of Venus' transformation. She will turn in a forest fairy, and today I will make her wig. The first step is to shave the hair. Now I will take off her head and pull out the remaining hair. The best way to remove this shaved part is to use the acetone or nail polish remover. I soak a cotton pad with acetone and apply it to the head, pressing it a little and leave it for a while like this. And voila! The velvet comes off easily. Now I will use my handmade headstand. I cover the doll's head with cleaning film and fix it with the elastic. Now on top of the film I put dried wet wipe, but you can use jersey fabric, t-shirt fabric. What do you prefer and what do you have? This is a wig cap base. Now I will cover it with the glue. I will use strong PVA glue for mosaic. I spread the glue with my finger, but you can use brush. Leave the wig cap dries for some hours. It totally dried and became transparent. PVA glue is not water resistant, so I cover it with acrylic paint. But before it, I will cut the wig cap. I mix several colors of green acrylic and color the wig cap. There will be horns on a wig, so that they are symmetrical and the same. I printed the base on a 3D printer. I paint it with the same acrylic paint. And now I will wrap it with canicolon hair. The ends I will fix with PVA glue. This is how it looks on a wig cap. Now I mark the center of the head and the horns places. Now it's time for the hair. The first step is a hair part. I glue the first piece of hair tress. The second piece I stick on the first, overlapping the glue part. Now I fold the first part. To keep canicolon on its place, I use the small iron on low temperature. If you use high temperature, the canicolon may melt. Repeat the same process on the second part. Now I will glue the hair on the back part of the head. I made a braid so that the back hair doesn't interfere. And now it's time to glue the horns. Now the most interesting and creative part. I take hair from the parting and mask the horns with them, braid them into pigtails and lay them over the doll head. Finishing touch, gold jewelry. And of course, what a forest fairy without flowers. And the wig is done. In the next episode, I will show you the face-up process and the final look of the doll. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and see you in the next video. Bye!